Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to look at getting the hub out of a Dana 44 axle in order to get access to these wheel bearings. Let's get to it. The first step is to get this hub face off. Typically it's just Allen screws all the way around. This one I can see there's a slotted screw in here and it looks like it's missing some of those Allens. Once you've got all the screws out, it just pulls straight out. Next, you have to pull out this snap ring. It's right here. You can see the hole kind of right there. It's on this shaft. It's an external snap ring. Next, we've got to get this lock ring out, which is next. Next we have to get out this lock ring. This one is usually next level suck. You can see the gap right there. So there's the lock ring over here. There's the gap, and the ring continues up here. If I rotate it around a little, you can see. So you have to get something in there underneath of it and lift it up and then worm it out. You have to get something in underneath of it. See, just like that. Have to get it in. And then I find if I come in with a screwdriver, I can usually get behind it. And then that comes out. Once you've got that lock ring in, the hub comes out. These screws make it a little bit easier to just pull out. Sometimes you'll get a little ridge of rust on the outside of where that snap ring was that gets in the way and prevents us from pulling out. There we go. Next up, we've got this lock nut. See that square hole there? It's got 4 of them all the way around it. That has to come out. That requires a special tool. This one, you can see, is a PTW, what is that, 1271? It's a 2 3/8 anyway. So that comes out. Next, there's a keyed washer in here. Notice it's keyed right here, so it doesn't spin. That goes in, there's a notch in there that it goes in. This goes up. Then we've got another lock nut. Next thing in here is the outer wheel bearing. It's a tapered roller bearing. That's going to come out when we pull this hub. Get the brake drum out of the way. So you can see there's the outer wheel bearing. Then we have a inner wheel bearing and seal. If you're going to do the wheel bearings at this point, this outer comes out right here. And the inner comes out here, we've got this seal that has to come out as well. And that's how you get the hubs off. Thanks for watching.